Understanding, it's exorbitant. Decoding pricey phrases in English. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations about prices and costs. It's exorbitant. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your vocabulary but also enhance your comprehension of everyday English. So, let's unravel the mystery of this intriguing expression together. When someone says, "It's exorbitant," they're expressing that something is unreasonably high in price or excessively costly. The term often carries a negative connotation, implying that the speaker finds the cost to be much higher than what they perceive as fair or reasonable. It's commonly used in the context of prices, fees, or charges that are perceived to be way beyond what is considered justifiable. The word exorbitant comes from the Latin term exorbitare, which means to deviate. Initially, it was used to describe something that went beyond the usual or proper limits. Over time, its usage evolved, and today, it specifically refers to prices or amounts that exceed what is customary, reasonable, or appropriate. Let's look at some examples to see how "it's exorbitant" can be used in different contexts. 1. After shopping, I wanted to buy that designer jacket. But I didn't. It's exorbitant. 2. Discussing rent. They're asking for $3,000 a month for a one-bedroom apartment? That's exorbitant. 3. In a restaurant. We enjoyed the meal, but the bill was exorbitant for what we had. By using this phrase, the speaker is not just commenting on the high price but also suggesting that the cost is unjustifiably high. Enhance your vocabulary further by familiarizing yourself with synonyms of exorbitant. Some of these include steep, outrageous, excessive, inordinate, overpriced. Understanding these synonyms will help you recognize the sentiment behind the phrase even when different words are used. And there you have it. "It's exorbitant" is a powerful phrase to express that something is excessively priced or unreasonably costly. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a fantastic way to enrich your language skills. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.